So that's the way you got to think about it, really. A convention of nightclubbing, pretty much from lunchtime until, the next lunchtime. Back-to-back parties, but it works. It really works. It's a really creative space. It means so much to the people that make this music to see it work and to see what their peers think of it. And no greater example of that than this guy. Really made his name in Miami. David Guetta. First single from his brand new album featuring none other than Kelly Rowland. Check it out.
This is Pete Tong.
It's complicated, it always is. That's just the way it goes. Feels like I waited so long for this. I wonder if it shows. Head underwater, now I can't breathe. It never felt so good. 'Cause I can feel it coming over me. I wouldn't stop it if I could. When love takes over, yeah. You know you can't deny. When love takes over, yeah. 'Cause something's here tonight, 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 tonight.
Pete Tong World Exclusive Radio 1.
Welcome one and all, welcome to the weekend.
Radio 1.
One.
When love takes over, 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 when love takes over,
So I was standing on the top of our truck with David Guetta when he was playing that for the first time in Salvador, the Bahia Carnival, to about 1.5 million people go absolutely nuts everywhere. Wall to